Hi everyone, welcome back to BLBadventures today. We got a very cool video in store for you. We have all of our monster trucks.
Even this one.
Even Shark Attack. So we have
even
all these extra awesome. We got Gravedigger. We got Ice Cream Man. We got Shark Shock. We got Hot Wheels. Soldier Fortune. Special Education. Metal Militia. We got Crustacean. We have Mohawk Warrior. We have Team Hot Wheels. We have Shark Attack. We have Bone Crusher. We have Jurassic Attack. We have Captain America, El Toro Loco, Hot Wheels, Big Soldier Fortune, Big Gravedigger, and Big Monster Mutt. And then we have Little El Toro Loco.
Let's hear it for Toro Loco and Monster Energy! It is time to lock in our scores.
With his wheels that comes off.
Come over here.
Brayden, what do you got? Ooh, you have the Monster Jam Demolition course. Why don't you show the kids how it works? Oh, that was not epic. Let's try that again. You gotta wind it all the way back.
You know what to do? Good job.
So Brayden is trying to get this Max D to go up here and crash everything. Here we go.
Kids.
Whoa, that was
If you
cool.
want to see this monster truck, look what I did. I added teeth in the front.
Ooh, what monster truck is that one?
Zombie.
Zombies. So what I'm gonna do is show you the course of our Monster Jam competition. Right here, we have the ramp Lucca made, and the goal is to jump over the table and land on the couch. But the key is you actually have to land on the couch. If you go on the couch and fall off the couch, it doesn't count. You have to land on the couch. So we need to know which is the most epic jump. Then over here,
And kids, if you want to watch how you do it, it will be like.
there you go. That was pretty awesome. Great demo, Lucca. Zombie made it, and he was still on his feet.
Kids, you want to see this? This is double this.
Okay, Brayden.
That was good right there.
Oh, he crashed it.
And kids, here's the backflip ramp.
And there's a backflip ramp, and we could do epic backflips right there. We have all these little jumps, so we're gonna put these jumps everywhere, and we're gonna have so much fun using our imagination and just having fun with our monster trucks. You notice we do tons and tons of monster truck videos. You know why? We love playing with our monster
And
trucks.
kids, you know what's also included?
Oh yeah, an RC car, so cool. So now we're gonna get started with our monster truck madness. I'm gonna come over.
And kids, before we start, this truck is only for going up here and getting monster trucks that are on the table.
All right, so we're gonna start right now.
But we need to charge it up.
We're gonna start. We're gonna start right now. I'm gonna use Shark Attack. Brayden's gonna do Max D. Watch out, Brayden.
Oh yeah.
Here we go. That was pretty awesome.
Daddy, mine did this. Kid, watch this.
Go for it, Brayden. I'm gonna use Shark Attack, and I'm gonna try to do this. Here we go.
We're gonna try to whip the car.
That was crazy. Here goes Maxie. Go for it, Brayden. Ooh, we want to get a backflip. I'm gonna try Blue Thunder.
I got a backflip, kid.
Here we go. That was a pretty good backflip, but we did not land it. Lucca, do you have your monster truck to try the backflip?
Did wheels monster truck can do epic? Because there's two ways. You can do it this way, or you want to do it this way. I'm gonna do it both.
All right, I'm gonna grab another monster
First,
truck.
I'm gonna do mini. Not cool. Now, time for big guys coming on. Big guys coming on. Big guys coming on.
While Lucca's writing, I have this Rev Wheels Captain America. Oh, that was pretty awesome. And we're gonna try the Rev Wheels on this. So we're gonna check this out.
Look what happened.
It didn't go up the jump. Let's try that again. I don't know what that Rev Wheels is doing, but it's definitely not doing a backflip.
Kids, look what's happening. The wheels are falling off of us.
Go, Brayden, go. Oh, Brayden went nice, calm, and slow, and he almost got the backflip done.
And guys, look what happened to the monster truck.
There's wheels everywhere. Go, Brayden, go. Dude, that was awesome. Did you see that backflip, everyone? We're gonna have to watch that one again in slow motion because that was pretty cool. Here you go, Brayden. What do you think about your... As Brayden said, that was epic. So we have a lot of fun. More like an epic fun time.
Can you do in slow motion?
Yeah, go for it, dude.
Okay.
All right, I want you to rev it up and try to do the backflip in normal
Can I
speed
do
again. Yeah, you're nuts. All right, Lucca, your turn.
First, kids, what's your kick?
All right, let's do the big jump. Let's see if you guys can make it.
Whoa!
So the Rev Wheels didn't quite make it up the jump.
I still got a chance. No, no. I still got a chance with this. I got it.
Brayden has made a monster truck jump without wheels. I have no idea how that happened or how it worked out.
Look at this. Julie.
Awesome.
Done it.
While the kids are, I'm gonna try Gravedigger.
Did you see that on Brayden's knee?
Yep, we did. Go, Lucca, go! Oh! The double backflip by Lucca driving Captain America. That was awesome! There it is, win again. Do that one more time, Lucca. That was really cool. I didn't know you could do that with the Rev Wheels. Go for it, dude. This went on his own. So now I got Gravedigger. Lucca, let me get a turn.
One more turn. Oh yeah, I know something.
So I got Gravedigger with me, and I'm gonna try this. Here we go.
First I'm going to do this backflip.
All right, buddy. Here we go. I got Gravedigger. We got him. Whoa! Did you see how high Gravedigger just jumped? That was awesome.
And so I'm going to do monster truck double Wilson.
Let's do this. So Brayden's over here. Let's set this back up. So we're gonna put this back together real quick.
Double Wilson. And kids, if you notice this car is the same as this. This car is the same as this car.
Yeah, those are the same cars.
So we will leave those there. If you want to make the monster truck Demolition, you have to do the 100 backflips.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the camera behind this so you can see what it looks like as it crashes through.
First, kids, look what's gonna happen with the rubber. Kids, watch. Right now we need a blue monster truck, so it's gonna be a Demolition. It's gonna be like so cool. The monster truck's like.
Whoa, that was pretty awesome. We saw it crash from behind. That was really cool. Brayden, what did you think? Go for it. I think that was Brayden's celebration dance for doing an awesome epic time, which was really, really cool. So I'm gonna go now try to do the jump on the couch. So we're gonna set up the camera real quick. And we're gonna do this. So we're gonna have Shark Shock go first, Shark attack. Here we go, up the ramp. We're gonna try to jump it onto the couch. Did not go fast enough. Now we're gonna use NEA.
Okay, so instead of going on a couch, now you have to make it in this.
Ooh, that is a great idea, Lucca. I like it. So what Lucca said is we're gonna jump up this ramp and we gotta land it in the basket. That is gonna be pretty awesome. We're all gonna take turns.
Kids, I'll do this. Kids,
Okay.
Kids, you want to do a illusion of doubles inside of it? Kids,
All right, Lucca.
I'm gonna try to make it into a basket.
Oh, first try. Lucca got it on the first try inside the basket. That was awesome. We're gonna have to watch that one again in slow motion.